Now, wish me luck.
Toys for you.
Hello everybody and welcome to What's Inside. If right now we are having fun with this doll, David Liu asked what's inside the flying doll. So let's check her out. Okay, so she slides very well because of this wheel beneath, and she moves her wings, but she doesn't fly. Now let's see how she does all those things. Come on. Now this is the moment where we try to open. And voila! It opened from the first try. I didn't expect that. Oops. She looks pretty cool. I will try to do this. Oh my god. And what do we have here? Okay. If I removed this part that was keeping the wings, well, we can see that the wings are spinning around this bar. Let's see how do they work. Now, wish me luck. Yeah. And this is how they look inside. I tried to spin this wheel, but the wings don't move naturally because they need support on those 2 points. So now I will put back the cap.
This mechanism reminds me a little bit of the wheels from a steam engine. Don't you think so?
It took a while for us to figure out how those wings are moving, but look how beautiful. If you spin this wheel, look, and from behind, this is awesome. Okay, pretty difficult for me to spin. What do we have here? Basically we have the engine, the same main wheel that is spinning the wheel beneath, and it's spinning these other gears that in turn spin this X. Okay? Now let's get Barbie dressed. And now it's time to put it back together. So we slide the wings here in this place. This is kind of Lego, but only more challenging because you have a lot of chances to not put it right. And now we fit the dress and let's test it, see if it works. And it works, surprise! What were the chances? Guys, thank you for watching. Comment if we will have comments, and let us know what you want to see in the next clips at What's Inside. And until then, see you in the next ones.
Bonus clip.
Hey, listen!
What do you say? Let it go. If you are new here, you may consider subscribing because we have a lot of toys and a lot of fun stuff that we check what's inside and how do they work. If you already are subscribed, then thank you, and please make sure to press that like button and keep watching because we are having fun.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... get this picture started.